Your forklift works hard, and you should want to keep it working hard for as long as it can. This is why planned maintenance can be so important. Planned maintenance, or PM, isn't just for the forklift. It's for you. When you enroll your forklift in a PM, there are many benefits. Our forklift technicians gave us the top 3 reasons to enroll in a PM. Number 1. Planned maintenance helps prevent avoidable breakdowns. When you're regularly scheduling maintenance for your forklift, it may lead to early detection of a potential maintenance need, offering you peace of mind. PM makes sure that you are getting that inspection and catching potential problems. It's better to catch these small issues with a PM program than it is to catch them after they've already become a larger and more expensive issue. Number 2. Planned maintenance actually saves you money. One of the most expensive costs associated with owning a forklift is downtime. When your forklift is not working, that takes money away from profits. The other way it helps to save money is by not having to employ an on-site forklift mechanic. You will also have the option to pay by the month, which can make budgeting for your maintenance more predictable. Number 3. Planned maintenance is good for your trade-in value. When it comes time to sell your forklift, planned maintenance could be the difference of thousands of dollars. If the buyer knows you've had the forklift inspected with a PM program, it shows that you have taken care of it. PennWest has more than 40 certified forklift technicians in the field and ready to take care of your equipment today. Contact PennWest to learn more about planned maintenance. PennWest Industrial Trucks, lifting your industry.